Hello students, let us start a new chapter of class 6, that is numbers. First of all, I give you the introduction about number. What is number? A number system is basically a way of presenting a given set of number. For example, 3, 15, 7, 735 and 1125 and 200, 300 like this. This is called a numbers. Next is given face value. What is face value? Face value is simply defined as the digit itself within a number. In your book given, the face value of a digit at any place in a numeral is the value of the digit itself. One example I give you. Suppose face value of 5 in 350. So what is the answer of 350? So 350 is 5. If you find out the place value of 5. In your book is given example, the face value of 9 in both 900 and 56,097. So you will find out the face value. So here same digit 9 is your answer and here also 9 is your answer. Understood? Now the next is given place value. What is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. In your book is given the place value of a digit in a numeral is the product of its face value and the value of its place in the given numeral. Same example I give you, like a 350. If we will find out 350, you will find out the 350 in your place value. So what is your answer? 350. It means 50 is your place value. In your book is given example 986. Okay, you will find out the place value of 6. So 6 is your correct answer. If you find out the place value of 8, so 8 is given the tens place. First of all you will write 8 and after that given 6. It means 0. Suppose you will find the place value of 9. So you will write first 9. After that how many digits are given there? 2 digits. It means 2, 0. So these are the meaning of face value and the place value. I think your concept is clear. Next is your in Indian system, international system.
Number names, we are using two method. Number one is Indian method. In Indian method we are using only in India. Okay. And second method is international method, which is used out of India. Understood? How many method we are using? Only two method. Number one is Indian method, which is Indian place value chart. Second is international place value chart, which is given already in your book. First of all, we will start Indian method. What we will do the Indian method? Simply, for example, I will give you one example. We will write here 6, 7, 8, 5, 0, 5, 2, 3. Okay. First of all, what we will do the commas. You know how we will put the commas? Simply in Indian system of numeration, commas are used to mark thousand, lakh, crore and so on. So we will use the commas right hand side to left hand side. First of all, we will use 3 digit, then comma, then 2 digit, then comma, then 2 digit, then commas. This is the method of Indian method. Okay. So we will find out how we will use this method simply. First of all, we will make one column. How many digit are given here? Total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will put 8 column. Okay. Number 1, we will write ones. Next is tens. Next is 100 digit. So we will write here 100. Next is given 1000. So we will write thousands. Next 10,000s, which is called TTS shortcut. So we will write 10,000s. Next is coming lakh. Okay, so we will write here lakh digit. Okay, after that 10 lakh. So we will write here 10 lakh. Next is crore. Okay, so we will write here crore. And the next one is 10 crore. After that we will start Arab. Okay, but in 6th standard only we will learn up to crore. In 7th standard we will start Arabs, because Arabs only we will, in that class we are using. In this class only up to crore you will understand. Okay, so next what we will do, these are the digit we are written 6 7 8 5 0 5 2 3. Okay, so we will start from the right to left side. So simply 3 you have to put ones, 2 you have to put tens place, 5 you have to put the 100 place, 0 you have to put the 1000 place, 5 you have to put the 10,000 place, 8 you have to put the lakh place. Okay, so these are the numbers you have to put in that column. Understood? Next is your international method, which I already said we are using out of India. So first of all we will take one example. In 6 7 9 8 0 5 0 3 0. Same method we are using, right hand side to left hand side. Okay, but in international system we are put the commas 3 digit after 3 digit, then after 3 digit, then after 3 digit. Again we make one column, and how many numbers are given total? Total 9 numbers are given. So 9 column we have to make, and you have to write here first of all ones, tens, 100, 1000. Next is 10,000. Okay, shortcut TTH we have to write here. Okay, after that 100,000, H TH. Okay, H means 100, TH means 1000. Next what will be there? Next will be million. Okay, so we will write here million, which is M. And the next is 10 million, which is TM, means 10 million. And the next one is 100 million, HM. Okay, million. In 6th standard only we have to learn up to million, but the next part is your billion, which is not important in this class. In this class only you have to be understand up to billions. So these are the column we have to make, and 3 digit we have to put in this column. Okay, these are the method of Indian method, and second is the international method. But you have to understand, in Indian method only we have to put first 3 column, then 2 column, then 2 column like this, and international we are using 3 commas. Next is round off. Okay, what we will do the round off? So in the round off, first of all we will find out the nearest tens. In nearest tens, one example I give you 79. So most important thing, we will go for the 2 steps. If the digit at one's place is less than 5, like 0 1 2 3 4, replace it and put there 0 and leave the remaining digit unchanged. Next, if the digit at one's place, see one's place given 9 here, so if 5 or greater than digit is given like 5 6 7 8 9, so we will put there either add 1 to the digit of tens place. Like in one's place written 9, so it is 5 more than. So if 5 more than is given there, then you have to add 1. It means 79 plus 1 is 80. Understood? So round of nearest tens, 79 is given. What you will do? It is more than given 5. Then 79 plus 1 is equal to 80. Understood? One more example I give you, like 74. So 74, 4 is less than 5. So you have to put there 0. It means 70. So 2 example already I given. One is 79, one is 74. So 79, 9 is more than, and 4 which is less than 5. So less than 5, so only just you have to replace the digit 5 and put there 0. Next example I give you, a round of tens place. Same is that. Next example I will give you the round of the nearest 100. What you will do? One example I give you, 7586. In that number, if the digit or tens place is less than 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, replace both the digit at tens and ones place by 0 and leave the remaining digit unchanged. If the digit at tens place is 5 or greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, replace the digit at tens and ones place by 0 and add 1. So, in this example, 7586 is given. In 86, okay. So, here given the 86, how we will do the round off? Simply, this digit we have to add 1. So, 7600 is your answer.
Today in this class only I given you the introduction about the place value, face value, international and Indian system. Next class we will discuss exercise 1.1. Okay, thank you.